Would you rather have $1 today or $1 tomorrow? Sounds like a silly question, right? Most people choose the dollar today because a dollar tomorrow sounds exactly the same. But what if that dollar could grow? This is where compounding comes in. Compounding means your money doesn't just grow, it grows on top of its growth. Imagine you invest $1 today and it grows just 10% a year. That dollar earns money, then that money earns even more money. Now, here's the problem. If you wait until later to invest, your money has less time to grow. Same dollar, same effort, very different result. This is why time matters more than how much you invest. Starting early beats starting big. You don't need to be rich. You don't need thousands of dollars. You just need to start. Even small money invested early can change your future. So the real question isn't, do I want $1 today or tomorrow? It's, do I want short-term comfort or long-term freedom? If this made money easier to understand, hit subscribe because your future self will thank you.